Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Presenting my next vlog on the See Kuttanad boat service, which provides a panoramic boat ride across the backwaters of Alleppey for just Rs 120. See Kuttanad is a tourist cum passenger double-decker boat service started by the State Water Transport Department of Kerala. See Kuttanad provides boat ride services across backwaters of Alleppey at very reasonable prices both to local and foreign tourists. The service of this boat starts at 10:45 am on all days from Alleppey and Kollam. See Kuttanad boat is a double-decker boat where the lower deck is reserved for the locals for their day-to-day travelling and the top deck is reserved for the tourists. The cost per seat in the upper deck is Rs 120 for both sides of the trip and the lower deck per seat cost is 23 during the onward journey and Rs 16 during the return journey, which is generally used by the locals. See Kuttanad serves both purposes of showing the beauty of backwaters of Alleppey to the tourists and at the same time serve as mode of public transportation to the locals. These boats are equipped with snack bar providing refreshments during the entire journey. Similar to how bus stations look, these boats too have stoppage points at various locations where the locals board and deboard from this boat. This boat navigates through the serene backwaters offering stunning views of lush greenery, paddy fields and traditional Kerala village life. The top deck of this boat is open on all sides providing a 360-degree panoramic view of the entire backwaters. This boat service adheres to all safety protocols during the entire journey, including wearing of life jacket at all times. See Kuttanad boat services in Alleppey provides an excellent choice to those looking to explore the backwaters of Kerala at affordable prices. The complete trip schedule of the See Kuttanad boat services, including the timings, has been provided in the description below along with the contact numbers. I'll let this video do the remainder of the talking as you continue to watch this video and cherish the scenic backwaters of Alleppey. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos are coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.